What's your name?
Marquez.
And what's your last name?
Brownlee.
Hey, how you doing, Alpine Police? Could I get your license, registration, proof of insurance?
I just realized I don't have my license with me.
Where do you live? Okay, alright. Well,
I have the rest of the paperwork.
okay. The vehicle's registered to you?
Yes.
Okay. I stopped you. You have a lot of tints on your vehicle. Did it come like that, or?
No.
Or a doctor's note or something for the tints? Nothing?
No.
No? Okay. Alright, what's your name?
Marquez.
Your first name?
Marquez, M-A-R-Q-U-E-S.
And what's your last name?
Brownlee.
Where are you heading today?
To Weehawken.
Weehawken for what? For work? Business? Huh? Go all the way over there for a haircut?
Yeah.
They got good barbers, I guess?
I have been barber for a while.
You left your license over there?
Yeah.
You know you need that when you're driving.
Yeah, I'm about to turn around and do that after this.
Okay,
This is registration,
Yeah.
and then the insurance is on my phone.
okay. Who's your insurance provider?
Allstate.
Alright, Marquez, listen. I'm going to try and help you out, alright? I only gave you a ticket for the tints. New Jersey law, you're supposed to have your license on you when you drive, alright? So go home immediately, get your license, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, drive safe, sir.
Thank you.
Hi. Can I get your license, registration, insurance? You have 2 points on your license.
From a year or two ago?
Oh, so is it for speeding?
I don't remember.
I can find out. I'm stopping you just for 159 at 25, okay? I'll check your license. I'm gonna try to get you a break, alright? You don't know what the points are for?
Yeah, it's like 2 years ago.
Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna cut you a break, okay? The points are for speeding, just so you know, from 2022. So I gave you for unclear plates. It's a small fine of like $55. Just be careful, I know it's the weekend, there's nobody on that road, but we're usually sitting there, right? Right.
How you doing? Officer Aldan, Parker Police. You're being audio and video recorded. License, insurance, registration, please.
Insurance is on my phone.
Okay. The reason why you're being stopped is because your plate cover in the rear is illegal, your tints are illegal, you don't have a front plate, and your tinted windshield is also illegal.
Video with a blue your video, please.
Alright, sir. You're being issued for the stop. I gave you a break on 2 tickets. Alright, make sure these are no points on court. Make sure you get this off, that plate cover off, and you gotta put the front plate on. Any questions, you call number in the top right. Drive safe.